All right, folks, welcome back to Moving to Dallas, Texas. I'm Connor Hornsby, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of a property that I just sold here in North Texas, and it's under $300,000. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well, because I'm going to be doing a full walkthrough of this property here in North Texas. And what you'll notice here is there's still a bunch of opportunity here. So let's go in, let's check this property out, and make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna be doing more of these here in North Texas as well. So what you're going to notice in these new construction walkthroughs that I'm doing right now are, today is kind of our blue tape day. So we've done our inspections, we've gone through the property and gone over all the things that the builder is going to take care of. But what we're also going to do is we're going to bring blue and green tape. So green tape is going to be for drywall work, and then the blue tape is going to be for any paint, caulking touch-up. So during this kind of day is we're going to meet with the builder, we're going to go through every piece of the inspection report. We're going to mark all those other items that we want to have taken care of prior to closing. Then we'll do a final walkthrough, go over those touch-ups, confirm everything, and then, you know, obviously we'll go on to closing. So now we're going to go upstairs as well and see what you get with these properties that, you know, are under $300,000. You're getting all of, as you'll notice, the blinds and the refrigerator, washer, dryer, all those items included in these new construction homes as well. So now that we've finished kind of touring the home as well, I want y'all to be able to see how much opportunity is out here in Farmersville. All this land here is still being built or still being developed. So there's so many new properties here, and we're only 20 minutes away from McKinney. So if you're someone that's looking for affordability here in North Texas and want to be kind of, I don't want to say out in the middle of nowhere, but, you know, still kind of in a quiet area, but still close to McKinney, Frisco. If you know, go to Dallas, this might be a little bit of a stretch for you. But again, these are great opportunities out here to get 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, around 2,000 square feet for under $300,000, to get low interest rates, closing costs paid for, and all you have to bring is less than $10,000 to the signing table. So appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you want more information on this property and other properties within this location and other builders, comment info or reach out to me directly, and I look forward to seeing you all in Dallas.